Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin a shutdown icon to the Windows 10 taskbar. For this, first right click on the free space on the desktop and select here new and then shortcut option. In the location box, all you need to type this one command shutdown a space slash s a space slash t a space 0. 0 is the time that after clicking on this one icon, Windows will take time to shut down your PC. In case you want to change this one time, you can put any time in seconds such as 30 for 30 seconds. That mean that means after clicking on this one icon, Windows will wait for 30 seconds and after that your PC will be shut down. After putting this one command, click on this one next button. Then name this one shortcut as shut down or turn off and then click on this one finish button. To pin it, select this one icon and drag it to the taskbar in the free space. When you see link to taskbar, lift your finger from the mouse and it will sit on the taskbar. By single click on this one shutdown button, you can turn off your Windows 10 PC.